Afternoon. Today is June the 1st, and I've been almost a month here in England. A couple of weeks in my apartment, a little over a couple of weeks now, and I'm going to take this boat all the way back to London Bridge. Maybe not. I thought this was the one, but
Our bus, our open top bus, is at the top of the ramp and you turn left, but I'll be with you. Those of you who've just joined me, if you need
it must be.
when you go on the boat or on the bus, just sit downstairs, and then if there's any space upstairs, I'll call you up, okay? Just so nobody loses their seat.
Yeah, so this is the boat I'm going to take. I didn't think there was going to be a running commentary, but
we are going back onto our open top bus, which is just up the ramp, ladies and gentlemen. So we're coming back to Victoria. Please bring me up there. Thank you very much.
we have folks going to get off.
This is now what the next one. This is not our river. This is chartered.
This is not our boat, as you hear the guy say, and but anyway, I think it's something very similar. And I was wondering why there was a commentary. So, well, in the background there is the London Eye, and I know that is some kind of a marine building because I remember seeing the. So this is a Neptune clipper, which is not what we have. Ours is some kind of a clipper, but I forget. I don't know really what it is now. I forget what is a clipper. But in any event, these are brand new apartment buildings here. C'est la vie.